Hello guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy. Hope you're all doing well. This is my acer palmatum and it's in need of a trim now. We are in June, late June, and I need to put some wire back on the tree and I need to do a little bit of a trim. This branch here needs to come down and we need to sort out the branches that are not wanted, that are wasting energy. So I'm going to zoom you in close and show you some cuts that I'm going to make, and then I'm going to put some wire on this tree and we'll do a bit of styling of it. So let's zoom you in. So as you can see, this branch at the front here is coming out the front, it's coming up the top. We don't need this branch, so we're going to get rid of this branch there, and already you can see that's opened it up right up. So the next little cluster is just in here, and it's a cluster of branches that are not needed, so let's get rid of those. This branch here at the back, hopefully you can see it. This branch here at the back, we're going to utilize it and use it in the composition. So I need to put some wire on that. So just above there and on the opposite side is the main trunk leader. Now, it hasn't got any nodes going all the way up. So I'm going to cut this one back to 2 branches so that hopefully it will develop nodes here. If not, it will develop nodes down here and spring out some new growth that I can wire up and actually put a nice bend in, because this one is too tough to put a bend in there now. So hopefully it will bud back here and we'll get a nice branch that will come out and we can start the trunk line. So then we come up to the top here, and hopefully you can see this branch here is going to be needed, it's wanted. It's got some nice movement in it. I just need to get some wire on it and pull some of it down. But hopefully you can see that just in here there are 2 branches that are competing to be the leader. And obviously we don't want those 2 branches. So I'm going to cut one of them away. And I think that one's going to be the top one, because I like the bottom one better. And it shortens the tree up. Plus I can get some movement in this tree. So with this second one, I'm going to trim it, but I'm going to trim it quite a lot higher, and that will become the leader. So there you go. Just trim that to there, and we can put some wire on that. So the next branch we come to is around the back of the composition, and it splits into 2 here. This branch is needed. We're going to use that branch, like I said. So I'm not going to be very careful with that branch. But this branch here swings out, cuts into two places. We're going to cut that back, and we're going to cut this one back as well, so that it develops some more branches coming out there. It may be the fact that I cut it all the way back after, in the autumn, but for now it can get cut back to there. So as you can see, in here is a cluster of branches that are coming out. I'm just going to tidy this up, just so that I can see the trunk, and so that no more branches take over. And then we can get some wire on this branch here, some wire on this one. So now what I need to do, guys, is get some wire on this tree. I don't know whether I'm going to do it today or whether I'm going to wait for springtime or autumn time, sorry, and do it in autumn. I think I'll probably do it in autumn. Although I may do it now. Let's do it now, eh? Why not? I've got time. Let's do it now. We don't have to go all the way to the end, because the end is going to be chopped off at some point. But it's just to get me a little bit of movement in this trunk, in this. There we go, that's got a little bit of movement in there, which is exactly what I want, just a little bit of movement. So let's try and get a bit of wire on this other branch and pull it down. Once we pulled it down, the other branch should go into line with it. There we go, we've got that wire on there now. So we're just going to pull this down Angle it down a little bit so it's a little bit flatter. And there we go. There we go, guys. Here's a little trim up of my Acer palmatum. Now the video's not quite finished yet because I've got another tree out the front that has been scorched by the sun this year. So we're going to go downstairs and we're going to trim that one. And we're going to, because underneath is some really fresh and nice new leaves. So we're going to take off all the dark and brown leaves of that tree. So let's go downstairs and have a little gander at the garden. So we're downstairs, guys, and as you can see, this tree has suffered quite a bit with leaf damage. So we're going to chop off all the leaves that are all brown. Just take them away because they're not doing anything for us right now. And what you want to do is you want to get the petiole and just chop it off at the petiole. Wow, the wind's come out of nowhere. Look at that. Blazing hot yesterday, and now the wind's come out today. So guys, look at this. my cat has jumped out the window again and thinks she's brave enough to jump down onto my bonsai and ruin another one of my bonsais. She broke one yesterday, 2 main branches on my double trunk larch. She's completely broken them and completely ruined my tree. So give me a minute and I'm going to chase this cat upstairs. So as you can see, the tree's looking a lot better now, and hopefully it will stay like that now through the summer and not get burnt. But hopefully it'll be all right. So there we go, guys. There's my little video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope I don't bore you too much with my videos. I do try and speak a bit, but you know, it doesn't come naturally speaking to a camera. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe, follow my craziness throughout the years, and I'll see you guys next time. Ta-da.